Welcome to King Green Tip. We share health tips and weight loss tips.
Healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss. Best pineapple smoothie recipe. Lose 3 kg in a week. Whether or not you like them, bananas are great. They are full of nutrients like fiber, potassium, good carbohydrates, vitamin C and many more important vitamins and minerals. They are a breakfast staple in almost every household as it gives you instant energy to kickstart your day. You may have often been advised to eat bananas to gain weight, but you may have also heard that bananas are great for weight loss. Today we will show you how to do and answer this question. Ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. The first is 1/4 pineapple. The second is 2 tomatoes. The third is a ripe banana. Here are 3 ingredients you need to prepare for this recipe. Proceed as follows. First, the pineapple peels off the skin and removes the eye. Next, you cut pineapple into small pieces. Pineapples possess fiber, which certain studies suggest may discourage weight gain, particularly around the abdomen. Fruits such as pineapple tend to normalize blood sugar levels. This fact in turn curbs appetite, which naturally furthers weight loss goals, according to the Harvard School of Public Health. Classed as a proteolytic enzyme, bromelain helps break down proteins and exists in the stem and the juice of a pineapple. Historically, bromelain has been used as a digestive aid. Scarce scientific proof definitively links bromelain to weight loss, however, a properly functioning digestive system contributes to overall health as well as weight loss and weight maintenance. Improvements in their ability to oxidize fat following a low-fat diet with vitamin C supplementation. Vitamin C plays an essential role in the synthesis of carnitine, an amino acid in charge of the transportation of fatty acids. Pineapples provide rich sources of vitamin C. Bananas. You peel and cut bananas into small pieces. Bananas are loaded with carbohydrates that you are often told to limit or not avoid in order to lose weight. But bananas contain the good carbohydrates in the form of the resistant starch, the kind that supports both weight loss and weight maintenance. Moreover, they are packed with fiber that keeps you full for longer and are also low in calories. Bananas have a low to medium glycemic index and therefore they do not cause sudden spikes in the blood sugar levels as compared to other high-carb foods and so, keep your metabolic rate in control. By keeping your blood sugar levels and metabolic rate in control, your body will burn more fat for energy. A medium banana contains just 105 calories, 27 grams of carbohydrates, 3 grams of satiating fiber and about 14 grams of naturally occurring sugar along with a host of essential micronutrients. The fruit boosts your metabolism and keeps you full longer, preventing you from snacking in between meals. And this is the banana I chopped. Now put the banana in the pot. Next is a little water, you cover and boil. After boiling, you take the bananas out of a bowl. You cut the tomatoes and put them in a bowl of bananas. Tomato juice has high levels of lycopene, an antioxidant which was shown to increase the production of metabolism-boosting hormone adiponectin by 25%. Tomato juice supplementation reduces waist circumference, as well as serum cholesterol and inflammatory adipokine levels in young healthy women, and that these effects are unrelated to body fat changes. Tomato juice can reduce oxidative stress in overweight women, which could in turn boost general health and help prevent obesity-related diseases. Next, pour the pineapple into the bowl. You grind them puree. If your home has a juicer, you can use them. Here I use a hand blender. And this is a smoothie that I have pureed. Now you just have to pour it into the cup and enjoy. Take this drink instead of a meal, either breakfast or lunch. If you decide to take it in the evening, reduce the ingredients in half. For best results, it is recommended to consume this drink after doing some exercise in order to increase the fast loss to maximum, kill fat cells effectively and build muscles. Exercise can be of any kind: light workout, cycling, walking or any other physical activity. Thank you for watching the video. See you in videos that reduce belly fat.